Hey guys, what's going on? And today we have a very special video. This is an update video, a haul video, and a car show video. So let's get right into it with the cars. So over the months I haven't gotten much, even though all around New Zealand the new team transporters, like with the 787B, RWB is hitting, it hasn't been too much. But luckily enough I have found some stuff. And then there's also a car show and drag race and stuff we went to, and I'm going to show you some clips from that. But, okay, when I say some, I mean like most of this video is it, but I'll try to keep it on a down low on how much stuff there is. So let's just get right into it. The first two cars is the Knight Rider, the Super Pursuit, and the Lotus. Right here. So, yep, and here's the Knight Rider. And then the next cars we have is, we all know the Disney Parks promotional diecast that I have. Well, I finally got my little hands on the new 2020 ones. Much better quality when it comes to paint and deco on both of them. But, you know, that's cool and all. And I finally completed my Jurassic Ford Explorers. But, enough of that. You probably are actually here to see these two, but you have. So, let's get on to the car show stuff. I'm not going to be talking about it. I might put some titles on stuff that you might not recognize, but, yeah, this is, some of the cooler stuff that I've seen. Sadly, I have misplaced in my vast collection my normal basic kit, but the one thing I do remember is that one has a sticker on the inside on the dashboard showing all the cool instruments, and this one doesn't. But let's ignore that and take a look at these amazing features. The detailing is exquisite. Take a look at that. I have not watched Knight Rider before. I actually kind of want to, but this seems pretty legit. Definitely a really good quality casting, and I only hold it by the spoiler due to black paint being very easily smudged. Now, the base is also very attractive, well, not attractive, but detailed and funky due to the elongations on both sides. Now I'll put it back down. Here's the Lotus Esprit, I'm assuming it's Esprit because that's how everyone else says it. Also very detailed and very nice. My only version of this casting in my collection, sadly, but happily I have it in my collection now. The detailing on this is on all sides. Love how it's got a painted base. I hope they do painted bases on all cars, because sadly the non-painted bases tend to corrode, and I don't mean rust, just become very unpleasing to the touch. But yeah, that's a quick look at them. On to the rest of the video. Video, I just want to do a quick shout out to Cameron the Gamer. Yes, the one you see here with the Pokemon on as his thumbnail. I met him. Well, I met someone who didn't have a channel, and their brother's channel was this one, and so they just asked to shout that one out. So shout out to him. I offered him a shout out, so here it is, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.